snow is falling down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna decorate both of our bathrooms for Christmas. First off, we're gonna take everything out. We're just gonna deep clean. I'm gonna clean the showers, the sinks, the toilets, the whole 9 yards, and then we're gonna come in here with some new Christmas decorations, Christmas trees, Christmas towels, new shower curtains, and then also some candles and bath bombs for our new jetted tub. So I'm so excited to share this with y'all. And if you're new here and you love all things homemaking and decorating and cleaning, definitely hit that little red subscribe button below. I would love to have you. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That always really helps me out. But let's go ahead and get started.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I wanted to start out by scrubbing these countertops so we can decorate them. I got a new glass jar that I'm really excited to fill up with some red sparkly ornaments. I've been on the search for one just like this for quite some time, and of course I hit the jackpot at HomeGoods the other day. I was so excited. I found it for about 25 bucks, and I haven't found one that cheap, so that was awesome. And I wanted our master bathroom to feel warm and cozy with lots of reds and whites. I like to take bubble baths in here quite often, and I love it when there's just candles and bath bombs and fresh towels. So I kind of wanted to go with a simple, sleek spa Christmas in here, and I just didn't want to add too much decor to the countertops because when we're getting ready in the morning, things tend to get very cluttered, so I just wanted to keep it very simple.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Today's video is in collaboration with Nikki from the Clean Nest here on YouTube. She makes tons of cleaning motivation content, she shares tons of amazing recipes, and she also has such an eye for decor. She actually just completely renovated her bathroom not too long ago, and I was just in awe with how beautiful it turned out. And today she's also cleaning and decorating her bathrooms for Christmas, so definitely go check her out and let her know that I sent you. I'm going to leave the link to her channel down in my description box. And if you're coming over from her channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love to have you subscribe and stick around for tons of homemaking motivation.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem.
After I wiped down those countertops, I went ahead and grabbed my Mrs. Myers and the pine scent, and I'm just going to wipe down all of these lower cabinets. They were actually quite dusty. I was kind of surprised with how much dust came off of them. And then I'm just going to hit those baseboards as well. And here in just a second, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of all of the decor that I picked out to use in our bathrooms. I knew for a fact that I wanted to get a bathtub tray to put across the top of the bathtub because I've been seeing everyone else have one of those, and that is just so convenient to have a place to set your hot chocolate when you're in there, or a place to set your book if you're reading. So I went ahead and picked one of those up from Bed Bath & Beyond, and there's just several other fun things that I picked up for our bathroom that I wanted to share with y'all, like that jar that I was talking about from HomeGoods. I had been looking for a jar like that for so long. And then I also picked up some fun soap and a little festive rug, some little trees, a basket, and then lots of red towels just to put throughout both of the bathrooms. So we're just going to start out right here by putting in some Mrs. Myers soap in the pine scent, and this is the jar that I was talking about. We're just going to Windex it and make it super shiny. I love the size of it. I love the shape of it. This is exactly what I've been looking for. And when Christmas is over, I'm going to try to fill it up with either bath bombs or cotton balls and just leave it on our countertop year round. How stinking cute is that? I love the way that that turned out. And now I'm just going to show y'all these towels that I picked up from TJ Maxx. They're Ray done and they just say joy, and I'm going to put one on each sink. I love it when Will and I each have our own towel, because we only have one towel hanger in here, and when we're both using it, it just gets really gross. So I'm loving that we have our own, and it's just kind of hanging off the edge to make it nice and festive in here. And then I also picked up these little Snowflake Towels from TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna hang one here, and then I'm gonna hang one on the other side above the bathtub. And then I picked up these little pine trees from Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby is just about wiped out of their Christmas decor already, and I was so sad to see that, but they did have these on sale for 50% off, so I bought this one and then a larger one that I'm going to use in the other bathroom. And then I picked up this warm apple pie candle from Walmart, $3 y'all, and it smells so good, and it has that sleek look just like Bath & Body Works, so you can't beat that. And now we're just going to clean the toilet.
This time last year, I was on my own. Just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in so many ways.
Eventually, I'm going to hang some shelves above this toilet, and then we're also going to hang a big, beautiful sign above our tub, but I'm still kind of undecided about what I want, and I didn't want to rush into it just because I'm decorating for Christmas, so we're just going to add a little basket on top of the toilet for now. And I was going to add some toilet paper in there, but we were completely out, so I just added a little air freshener. And now we're moving on to the tub, and I'm just using the Mr. Clean, no, I'm using Scrubbing Bubbles, and that smells so good. And then I'm just using this little scrubby sponge that I got from Walmart, and it has a handle on it, and it just makes it so convenient for cleaning out the tub. So I'm going to scrub that down really well and then dry it all off, and then I'm going to decorate that bath tray.
Peace and joy for everyone alike. And now I know what Christmas can be like. I'll give you a kiss underneath the mistletoe. You give me that look that makes me love you so. This year will be better in so many ways. Now that
There is nothing better than crisp, clean towels that are fresh from the store. Whenever I'm going to hang up towels, I don't like to wash them first because they have such a pretty look to them. I just don't want to ruin it. And then we're just going to hang that little snowflake one on top. And here in just a second, I'm going to pull out that new bath tray. I actually found that at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I knew that because my friend Brooke on Instagram, she used to make YouTube videos as well, and she had this one, and she told me about it, and I just loved it. And so we went to pick it up, and it was actually $45 in store, but then I got online and I saw that it's only $31 online. So if you want to pick this up, it's on sale online right now at Bed Bath & Beyond. But I just wanted to add a little green bath bomb and some sugar scrub that one of my students made me. And then I always love a good charcoal mask, so I put one of those there. And then just a fun, festive hot cocoa mug. I'm going to light a candle in the corner and just put a little red Christmas tree in the other corner. And I think this area turned out so fun and festive and cozy for Christmas time.
now I know what everyone's been talking about. And now I know what Christmas can be like. Oh, yeah. Peace and joy for everyone alike.
I'm just using my infused mop from Target to mop up these floors right quick, and then I'm going to show y'all the new rug that I picked up for in here. I did not go with a festive rug just because this bathroom needed an everyday rug, and I figured I may as well get one that I can use clear into the new year. And so I found this one at Home, and it's very similar to the one we have in the kitchen. It might even be identical, but it is a lot longer, and it fits this space really well.
all spend it on their own. Please leave a light on for Christmas, and maybe one so lost can finally find a home. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe all the firing will cease. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas.
Alright, now we're moving on to the guest bathroom, and I wanted to make this one really fun and inviting, so I got the cutest little shower curtain at TJ Maxx, and it's got little snowy scenes all over it. And for the countertop, I'm going to once again keep it really simple just so it doesn't get really cluttered. So I'm going to add a little tree and a candle and maybe one or two other things with a fun festive hand towel. But first off, we're going to go ahead and clean up these countertops with some scrubbing bubbles.
Find a way to build some trust, and you know I'm sure if we just walk through that door, we could have all we're asking for and more. This
Let me know down in the comments below what y'all are doing to celebrate this season this year. I know things look a lot different for some people, for most people, and I just want to know what everyone's doing to celebrate. I know Will and I have been playing lots of Christmas movies around here. I can't ever sit down long enough to enjoy one, but we are playing them. We're making treats, we're shopping, mostly online shopping, and I'm gonna plan a trip pretty soon for us to go see some Christmas lights. But let me know what y'all are doing to celebrate Christmas this year.
I believe we can, if we just believe we can. I believe we must find a way to build some trust, and I believe it's true. It comes down to me and you. Don't you know I'm sure that if we just walk through that door, we can have all we're asking for and more. This Christmas, please let it be so. Oh, this Christmas, please let it be so. This Christmas, please let it be so.
I don't know if y'all will remember this, but in the last video that I cleaned this bathroom, I actually dropped a plant in this tub and it broke and shattered everywhere, made a huge mess, and I have yet to clean this bathroom since that happened. So right now I'm just going to scrub out the bottom of this tub and a little bit of the walls. We've actually never used this. No one's ever used this, so it was still pretty clean other than the bottom of the tub. And then after we get that all scrubbed out, I'm just going to pull out this new shower curtain. I got some new little crystal hooks to hang it on, and I am obsessed with the way that this looks.
Just breathe with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary.
How stinking cute is this little shower curtain? It's got all the little snowy scenes with the Santa sleigh and a church and little Christmas trees. I love it. And now we're headed over to this little spot above the toilet. I'm going to use this little shelf that we used to use in our old laundry room, and I'm just going to hang it above the toilet, and eventually I'm going to get a little basket to put underneath it as well. But I got that little deer picture from my mother-in-law here just recently, and I love it. That is so cute right there. It says Season's Greetings, and then I just put a little plant there. And now I'm just adding some red fun towels over here to the hook, and then I'm going to show y'all the new rug that I picked up.
For Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
For some reason, I had such a hard time finding little Christmas rugs to use indoors. I did find some at Home, but they were really cheap looking, and then I ended up finding this one at Kohl's. I love it. I found it for like 10-15 bucks, and I'm obsessed with the way that this bathroom turned out. I'm kind of jealous that it's not in the master bathroom. I like this one a whole lot better, but super cute for when guests come over. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Definitely go check out Nikki's channel if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in next week's video. Bye!